to Shirl's Foodies. My name is Shirley and today I'm back with another new recipe, that is how to decorate and stack a two-tiered pineapple cake. So friends, first of all, here I've taken an 8-inch pineapple cake, and in my previous videos I've shown you how to make a pineapple cake, and the link of it is given down below in the description box. I've cut this into two halves. Here I have another pineapple cake, a bit smaller one. I've cut them into 3 layers. So friends, here I have a large amount of stabilized whipped cream. Here I've taken chunks of pineapple. First of all, on the lower layer of the cake, we'll add a big scoop of icing, that is the stabilized whipped cream, and spread it evenly on all the sides. Here I'm done spreading the cream on top. Now if you want, you can also add the pineapple chunks. I'm adding pineapple chunks here, and then I'll place the second layer on top. Now we add a big scoop of icing and cover this whole cake. Just spread it evenly. Cover the whole cake from the sides as well as from the top. Level it properly, and then you can refrigerate it for about an hour. Similarly, we'll frost the smaller cake. We'll first prepare the base. I've spread it evenly. Now we'll add a few chunks of pineapple and then place the second layer on top. First we'll cover the gaps on the sides. We'll cover it well, and then we'll add a big scoop of icing on top and spread it evenly. Now this is going to be a 3-layer cake. So on this layer too, we'll add few pineapple chunks. And then we'll place the third layer. Now cover this cake totally. Make sure the cake isn't visible from the sides. Level it properly and then refrigerate it for at least 15 to 20 minutes. So friends, here I am done frosting the second layer. Now we'll refrigerate it for about 15 to 20 minutes. So friends, here the first cake, that is the bottom first tier, is out of the refrigerator. I've taken these sticks that is easily available in the market. This is exact size of the cake, as you can see here. Now we'll insert it in the 4 corners. Make sure you first measure the cake size, that is the second tier size, and then place these sticks. Now after this step, we'll place a round parchment paper, which will make it easier to remove the cake from the top. Now after this step, we'll insert a big stick in the middle. Then we'll place the cake exactly in the middle of the cake. This will help your cake to stay intact. Your cake won't move or slip. So friends, here we've stacked the 2-layer cake. Now we'll start decorating the cake. You can decorate it as you wish, but here I'm showing you my way of decorating. Here I've used star nozzle. Now we'll start decorating the cake. Here I'm using star nozzle and making vertical lines. You can also make basket design if you want. I have shown how to make the basket design in one of my previous videos, and I've posted the link of that video down below in the description box. So similarly with the star nozzle, we'll make design on the top as well. Here I've used yellow and white color. You can use any other different color combination if you like. Just make the border from the top on the edges. Now we'll continue making the design on the sides. Just cover the whole cake. When you're done, we'll make the border on the first cake, that is the lower cake. I'm making this design as the border. Similarly, we'll make the same design on the lower edge as well. So friends, here I'm done making the borders, and you can see how pretty this cake looks. Now we'll move on to the last step. Here you can see from the top, it really looks very cute. Now so the last step is we'll make small flowers on top by using the same star nozzle. I'm using the same color combination again. Just make these roses just by swirling the piping bag the way I'm doing it. So friends, here we're done making the designing the cake, and our pineapple two-tier cake looks really good. This recipe is really easy. Hope you liked it. Enjoy. So friends, if you like this awesome recipe, make sure you hit the like button and do share it with your friends and family. If you are new to my channel or if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, make sure you subscribe and also hit the notification button for new and amazing recipes. Thanks for watching.